Welcome to Inside the Shop with Luby Equipment. My name is Lee Gardner. I'm the shop technician here at Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Today we're going to go over the service items on the TV450B compact track loader from Case. So the initial 100 hours on a Case machine, the one thing that Case recommends that you do is to drain and refill your final drive oil. So you could have somebody in there for you, pull it forward or backwards till that hole there lines up with the bottom, and you'll pull both plugs out, let that drain, put your bottom plug in, and then fill it till it starts coming out of that top plug. Next, we'll go over kind of like the 500-hour service area. So you'll come back under the hood for it. On the 500-hour service, Case recommends you replace the hydraulic oil filter, which is tucked away back in here. You can get a filter wrench in there and take him out and be able to replace him. They also recommend the water separator filter. This is on a quarter turn lock up here. This plastic ring will turn to the left. You'll unplug your water and fuel sensor, be able to drop him out. The main reason you want to replace that at 500 hours is because that's your primary line of defense. That's your first filter as fuel is coming into the engine. That's going to take care of all the big debris. It's going to have all the water in it, things of that nature. You don't want to let that go over time, because if there gets to be a bunch of water in here, this sensor will go off and it will eventually cause you a code over the monitor. The next fuel filter is your primary fuel filter. He's right back here. He's just a regular spin-on filter, just like you would have on an oil filter. Take him off, put him on, and then this right here is your primer bulb. So you just prime him up. There's a bleeder screw here, and then there's a bleeder screw on the top of the filter base for the primary. They also recommend at 500 hours for you to replace air filters. To replace the air filter on a 450B is really easy. Pull this yellow lock out, give him a quarter turn, pull that out of there. There's your primary air filter. Under him, you'll see the secondary. You do replace both of those at the 500-hour mark. Along with everything I mentioned on the 500-hour service is engine oil and filter as well. Every new Case machine will come with a special fitting and a tube that will screw into the bottom of your oil pan that will allow you to drain the oil out of it. And on this 450B model, you remove the panel over here on the left of the machine. It's 3 15-millimeter bolts. You pull them out, your oil filter's right here, so you don't have to worry about crawling into the engine bay or anything like that. It's got a remote oil filter. Once again, this has been Inside the Shop at Luby Equipment. My name is Lee Gardner. I'm the shop tech here at Cape. All these filters that we've highlighted today, we do sell up front. We're more than happy to do the service for you if you'd like to drop it off, or if you'd like to do the service yourself, we'll sell you our genuine C&H parts.